Today you're going to learn how you are going to mine free crypto worth $100 per day with your Android phone. You don't need any money, you don't need any capital. All is free. All you need to do is just to watch this free tutorial from A to Z. Hi, Adeyemi Oluwaseun say. So we are going to learn how to mine free cryptocurrency worth $100 per day with your Android phone. So no capital needed. All you need is just your Android phone. Yes, if you have your Android phone, you are good to go, and you're going to be mining this crypto for real every day, and this crypto can actually turn you to millionaire. So all you need to do, just make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end, so that you're able to understand the everything that I'll be talking about. You might know about this coin, but I've done a lot of research and I'll be giving you everything that I know about the coin today. All right, so all you need to know, all you need to do is just to watch this video from the beginning to the end, as I said. All right, so if you are new on my channel, please, I want you to subscribe to this channel and like this video and click on notification bell, so that whenever I drop a content like this, so YouTube will be giving you a notification that Adeyemi Oluwaseun just dropped a video for you to watch. All right, so if you are watching this video information about Pi, the crypto that I'm going to talk about today is Pi coin. Okay, it is because you are interested in cryptocurrency business, of course. So Pi is a special crypto that is poised to compete or even overtake Bitcoin. All right, then estimates have it that Pi will be more valuable than Bitcoin because it has more liquidity as a currency that Bitcoin ever has. It has its own special app and Pi wallet. All right, then currently there are over 32 million users and community of people mining Pi coin every blessed day. Pi will make you a multimillionaire because by the time it is launched in December of 2021, a single unit of Pi will be valued at $100. All right. Interestingly, mining Pi is totally free at this moment. It's totally free at this moment, but we stop at mainnet, possibly at launch in December 2021. As you can see, the diagram below shows when it's going to stop. The mainnet is going to be launched. As at the time I'm recording this video, it's around 112 days, 9 hours, 47 minutes and 12 seconds. Okay, so you have to quickly put yourself together and also start mining this coin before the mainnet countdown finished. Remember this: Bitcoin was available for free as airdrops to many people 10 years ago. The fact that you are mining Pi coin for free doesn't mean it has less value. In fact, I mine every day, and I now have a Pi wallet to use the money. Okay, Pi is currently being used to purchase cars, foods, electronics, clothing, even by Nigerians home and abroad. Pi will surely change your life come December 2021. It costs you nothing to get started. It is totally free from now. But from December 2021, after mainnet, every Pi you have mined becomes money rather, and companies will pursue you to get it from you. It's estimated that by December 2021, one Pi coin is going to be worth $100, and in 6 months it could rise to $500 per Pi coin. In 12 months it could be $1,000 or more per Pi coin. Guys, I want you to hurry now before minutes and join Millions of Nigerians are already mining Pi as it is. I don't know if you already know this or not. In case you haven't, just don't think about it. Just get started right away. Just get started immediately as you are watching this video. To get started, all you need to do is just to download the Pi app. I'm going to show you mine on my phone and how it looks like, and the application that I'm going to download. All right, so all you need to do is just to get started by downloading the Pi app from Play Store using my username HIZ$ as your invitation code, because it's going to require for the invitation code before you're able to register. So you have to use HIZ$ as your invitation code, and I'm going to put it at the description below. So you can remember on video like this, you can jot it down or go to my description below and copy my own username and put it in your invitation code. Remember, you might find every day simply by tapping the button once every 24 hours, and you continue to earn like that every blessed day. Pi can be used to purchase items online. You may confirm this by visiting the website at pitradecenter.com. Okay, what you need to do now, let's just quickly go to pitradecenter.com. This is Pi Trade Center. You can see this is Pi Trade Center, where it's an e-commerce platform where you can only buy things with Pi coin. So go scroll down, you can see a beautiful flat for sale in Egypt, 8,400 Pi. Properties for rent, 25 Pi. That is in Canada, 25 Pi per month. So you can see this beautiful shoe, the fine shoe. You can see running shoe imported from China. That is in China. As you can see, this website have traffics. As you can see, the views on this thing. So 3.5 Pis. And this is Shampoo Bonga, Thailand, in Malaysia. That is 5. So you can just scroll down. Look at this Mac PC. It said it's 13 Pi HD 27, and you can see a lot of people have watched it. Okay, and there are even some products here that they have been sold out. Okay, so and then this is how it works. You create an account, you can start selling your items, and once you can also buy various items that meet your requirement. Okay, so on this platform, people are buying here with Pi coin. As you can see, people are buying with Pi coin right here, and you can see the mainnet countdown is reading that is 112 days, 9 hours, 5 minutes, and some seconds. Okay, so if you want to buy anything, you come right down here. But I'm not mining it to buy anything, because I'm mining it to make money. All right, I'm mining to make money, and it doesn't collect anything from him. You just need to install this thing on your phone, Android phone, and it start mining. Okay, as you can see, hair conditioner, 24 Pi coin. Okay, so now let's go back to our presentation. All right, so you can actually buy there with on that platform that I just showed you on my browser right now with Pi coin. So guys, let me quickly run you how you are going to do that and show you my home Pi coin on my phone, how many I have mined, and so just come right here. Okay, so all right, so you can see my mobile version right here. So then if you go to this browser here, you can see this is Pi website. So you can just come down to their website, that is minepi.com, and you can just navigate up and down to see. You can see Pi makes crypto mining easy. Breakthrough tech allow you to mine coin. So now let me just quickly run down to my home this thing. As you can see, we have Pi wallet. I have Pi wallet here. I have Pi miner here. So I click on Pi miner right here. As you can see, that it just come up right now, and you can see that this one is actually increasing as it is. It's mining. It doesn't matter either you are connected with computer, with internet or not. So it will, once you install it, it will start mining. Okay, it will start mining. You can also tell other your friends, because this thing is actually free. So why you cannot just tell anyone, your friend, because that was how they were begging people to get a Bitcoin years ago. We were begging people. Even we had a story of someone who even bought pizza with, I think, 10,000 or 100,000 Bitcoin. Imagine 100,000 Bitcoin or 10,000 Bitcoin. You know what it's worth today, and you just dash out and collect pizza, all right, from someone. So just like that, so people, they're still begging people to download this, to mine this, rather, to mine this coin and see what they are saying. You can do your own research as well about the coin. Of course, you can see a lot of negative information about that. It's a scam. Even up to now, we are still seeing some people that are still saying Bitcoin is scam. They don't believe in crypto. They don't believe in Bitcoin. But the fact that a lot of people has made a lot of money from Bitcoin. Some people did not even believe in it. Okay? As you can see that I'm mining from this. I'm mining this coin right here. Okay. As you can see that I'm mining this coin. So all you need to do is, I can see 631 already. And imagine if this coin goes $100, $500, $1,000. You know how much it is, 600, and it's still increasing every day. It increases every day. So guys, I want you to get started right away. I don't want you to joke with this at all. So now let me show you the browser. The wallet. I want to show you the wallet of this coin. The wallet. You can see this is the wallet. As you can see, I wanted to show on you. Can you see? So this is the wallet, Pi wallet right here. And so if I click on it, as you can see, so this is the Pi wallet. All right, so you can see it's gonna log in right now. So you can see you can test it by sending or receive. Okay, so guys, you are not spending anything. So just get into work now. Install this app on your phone. Start mining every blessed day. Start mining every blessed day before the minute gets ready. In the next 112 days, at least, if it is 100 that you're able to mine, even if it is 5, just try to mine something. All right, just try to mine something. And if you want to sign up right now, just go to the description below this video and see HIC dollar, right? That's my username. Just put it in your invite code. Okay, so that is what I have for you today, guys. And if you have any question about this, just go to the comment section below. When you get to comment section below, ask your question. I'll be available to answer your question. And if you are thinking or looking for a business that you want to me to make a video about it, just tell me on the comment section below. When we do our research about it and make a video and post it on this channel. Thank you very much, guys. I remain yours, Adeyemi Oluwaseun. Thank you for watching my video every time. Bye.